Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. Here's the website where you can find information about me, smarturl.it/Jedi, and information about, for example, the online seminar that I run for exams P, FM, MLC, and MFE at Illinois State University is at smarturl.it/BTDT-online. BTDT is the method of preparation for actuarial exams that I believe in, and it stands for been there, done that. I am trying to tell you that when you are taking an actuarial exam, you have to be able to look at every problem on the test and immediately say, been there, done that. If you can't, that means that you have not prepared for this exam enough. You haven't done enough, especially difficult problems. So you really need to do more work. The website of the actuarial program at Illinois State University, the Red Direct, can be seen by going to smarturl.it/actuary. And if you want to make a tax-deductible donation to our program, go to smarturl.it/ISU actuary donate. Here's the story for today. It's an exam MLC problem from the last spring 2017 exam, multiple choice section, problem number 15. And it says for a portfolio of fully discrete whole life insurance policies of $100,000 on lives age 35, you are given the following expenses are payable at the beginning of the 11th year. Per policy, $50, percent of premium, 15%. The gross premium equals $1,100 per policy. The asset share per policy at the end of the 10th year is $10,000. During 11th year, the realized investment rate is 8%. During year 11, the realized mortality rate is 0.005. Calculate the asset share per policy at the end of the 11th year. The way I remember this is that really the recursive asset share calculation is analogous to the recursive reserve calculation, but it's for the asset share, and we use the actual realized experience expenses and mortality and so on in this calculation. So the calculation is based on this idea that you have asset share at policy duration 10. The premium G comes in. You take out the expenses from it, and the rest is left in the policy. Then you subtract the flat expenses that are not percentage of premium. All of this money is accumulated with interest till the end of the policy year, when with probability QX plus 10, because it's the 10th year, and the probability of dying by the policyholder, the amount of B is paid, the benefit amount, and with probability PX plus 10, the asset share remains. So that's the asset share in the 11th year. Specifically, we'll plug in all the numbers that we have here, and you can see that this is a linear equation with the only unknown being asset share 11, and we calculate it as all the other stuff moved to one side, then divided by 0.0995, and that's the asset share at time 11. And then we just do the calculation, comes out to be 11,312.362, and that's answer E. Please remember this is copyrighted material, and problems from past actuarial exams belong to a Society of Actuaries for the Society of Actuaries exams. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.